Okay, welcome to Dominion Garage. So if you're anything like me, you get to a point where your beautiful wife is out there trying to vacuum up the living room, and she tells you that the vacuum cleaner no longer sucks. So that problem sucks. What was wrong with this machine here was they do have a belt. The engine is now missing. You might be able to see it in the video here. My beautiful wife is videoing for me. I took it out because I wanted to know what was in there. I did find it did have a motor. It did have a belt. The motor was seized up. So if you're going to try to fix that, the motors are actually rather expensive. It's much cheaper just to buy an entire new head. Voila. Amazon. I think it was 69 bucks or something. 60 bucks. And this here head has a brand new motor, new brush, and everything right in it. It's very pretty, and it's actually a little bit bigger than the original, slightly. So I watched a quick YouTube video, and it seems to me it's actually very easy to replace. Seems like you just flip it down like that. Seems like you just pull this. See how easy that is? Look at it. Look at it go. Look at it go. All right, well, my wife is telling me not to break it.
Just in case you want to be gentle.
So anyway, oh, something's starting to move here. There we go. So there's the old one.
Oh, half of it.
And there's a little bit of fur in there. Not a whole lot. So maybe pull that out.
You don't want to do that.
Give it a little blowout. And then the new one. Okay, so we could be clear on this. Come on over here, darling. Looks like what you're doing when you do this is you're not pulling out so much as you're releasing this tab, and you're pulling up. See, you have a little tang in here. See a little tang?
Yeah.
See it? And it goes into here.
Yeah.
So what you want to do, you don't pull out. I was yanking on it trying to pull it out. They weren't very clear in the video that I watched, but what you want to do is you're basically just pulling that and then pulling straight up. So
be careful, don't break it.
Look at it. Look at how easy it just goes right back together. Look at it. Look at that. That's just fantastic. Okay. One more try. What the heck?
Don't break it.
There we go. Look at it. I think it just fell back into place. Except that thing fell apart.
Oh my god.
So, all right, here, I think we're good though. Let me stand it back up. Gotta watch out for my Harley engine. Believe it or not, I'm able to put that back together. Vacuums, on the other hand, maybe not so much.
Don't force it.
They always say, we always say, don't force it, get a bigger hammer. So there is our new Dyson with a brush assembly.
It doesn't look like it fits right.
Seems like everything fits just great.
No, it doesn't.
Don't listen to her. I'm telling you, it fits great. So I'm happy with it. I'll bet you, if we put this in
No!
here. Shh. Quiet. Ready?
I know,
Wait.
I know!
Shh. Look at it go. It spins. See that?
It didn't spin.
Wait, watch. It's going to spin. Look at it.
Okay.
See that? It works.
Okay.
Okay, YouTube. That's how easy it is to fix your Dyson DC25 animal vacuum. Now my wife's going to be able to go in and vacuum, and she's going to be just so happy. And a happy wife makes a happy life. That's what they say. So that's for you men out there who are, in fact, taking dominion for Christ's kingdom. And that's all I got to say. Thank you for watching. I hope it was helpful. And I'm not really that big of an idiot. Have a good day.